Academia is not going to give you your destiny, okay? Just read that and just write that part down, okay? Academia is not going to give you your destiny, and it will never, 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 never give you your worth, your actual worth. It might carve, once again, it might carve and give you the space to toy with it some more, or maybe hone in on a part of your destiny, for example, but that is not the same thing as it literally giving you your purpose. And you know, again, so that doesn't mean that it couldn't ever help or create space to like support you or something like that, like as you navigate it, but it's just, it can't be your forever, and it's not going to be your forever. And to do that, to forever, you know, try to be, you know, in relationship to these institutions, is to essentially be damned. And the reason why we're using such harsh language to describe these things is on purpose, and it's because it's such a harsh reality, and it's such harsh consequences that are actually happening to us as our communities and ourselves, we navigate these institutions. It's such harmful impacts. So we have to be really clear about the language that or about how we're talking about it, so we get the point, but also with love, you know. I hope that y'all are getting this with love. Yes, say that again. Thank you, Jasmine. And I just wanted to again, I know I keep saying ask more questions. Same thing here. Ask more questions to your diviners and spiritual care practitioners. You know, if school does come up in those sessions or in those times where you're working with these different people, if that does come up, ask more questions. Is this the only way, or is it the easiest way? You know, ask your spirits, ask your ancestors, ask them to ask them, you know what I'm saying? If you really need to do that. And then if so, like, if you really do need to go about it, what's the best way? What's the smartest way for me to go about this in a way that has me as supported, as secured as possible, so that I'm not out here just getting taken advantage of and, you know, essentially becoming a sacrifice for these anti-Black institutions that literally want me to perish and then steal my creative energy and everything that I was born to do.